Here's a demo of one of our AI-assisted tools, the Fire Separations Compliance Reviewer. This tool helps architects and building professionals quickly assess fire separation requirements for their projects. The intuitive interface allows users to input key building information, including classification, construction type, and area. This tool simplifies code compliance by analyzing fire separation requirements based on your project inputs. Submit your drawings in PDF format. Optionally, include your company's custom design requirements. These will take precedence over the default NBC 2020 rules. The AI-powered analysis will start when you hit the Generate button. Our AI first checks your design against any custom requirements you've provided. Then it performs a detailed review based on the hard-coded NBC 2020 standards. Within just a minute or two, depending on file size, you'll receive a detailed compliance report. No more tedious manual checks, just fast, reliable results. Bear in mind that the results may vary depending on how clear the drawings are, but we can provide you the guidelines on how to prepare your PDFs for the best parsing of data. By the way, some tools like this one focus on specific sections of the NBC for maximum accuracy, while other tools consolidate all findings into a comprehensive summary report. It also has an AI assistant, so if you have any questions about the code compliance report, you can ask the AI assistant.
The AI assistant can also answer questions about the uploaded drawings, interpret the uploaded reference documents, and questions about the tool itself. Take note that our AI engine processes the information against current building codes and regulations, generating a detailed compliance report in seconds. The tool highlights any issues and provides recommendations to meet life safety standards. With features like custom instructions and API integration, this solution streamlines the compliance review process while maintaining rigorous safety standards. We're always improving, so if you have feedback or suggestions, we'd love to hear from you. Just click on the contact button from our website. Thank you, and have a great day.